Yeah, you know, Fire Yard Production was says straight.
I'm a job blessed King Lee.
Yeah, you know, we there.
Yeah.
So yeah, second.
My chest a pain me, you know me feel her.
Sure. What you say?
This girl I know my real world.
Lie.
Take me for a fool.
Sure. What you do?
She's so cool, but I'm in love. Take time with my heart, girl.
Won't you?
Take time with me. Take time with my heart, girl.
Won't you?
Won't you listen to my plea? Hey baby girl, it's my heart you been breaking. I'm a human being, not a plaything. Why am I being forsaken? Girl, you're in for a rude awakening. Why can't we live in peace? Why can't the love increase? Beauty turn to the beast, ain't Shanisa. When will the bad vibes cease? Take time with my heart, girl. Hey, baby girl, won't you? Take time with me. Take time with my heart, girl. Won't you listen to my plea?
Man, job bless, I king, I got through the same thing. But we know say it is part of living. That was amazing, at times it's frustrating. The mistrust and I get accused for nothing. Life is hard enough, me can't take the stress. Negativity, we never achieve progress. I'ma want some more love, me not want nothing less. But if I stop, well then it a go manifest. You see?
Take time with my heart, girl.
Won't you?
Take time with me. Hey baby girl, take time with my heart, girl.
Won't you?
Won't you listen to my plea? Heartless, you rip my heart from my chest. Permanent seizure, cardiac arrest. Somebody call the nurse, become nurse me, and tell the doc me need open heart surgery.
Come in a war, no heart attack, we get revived. Buy no that what you a try fi do, come drive me insane. You claim say you love me, don't tell me Susie, come show me.
Take time with my heart, girl.
Won't you?
Take time with me. Oh baby. Take time with my heart, girl.
Won't you?
Won't you listen to my plea? Well, you know, well, in come the musical thing called
Fire Yard.
Maja Bless, kill me. On the version, well, he's a massive and crow. Maja Bless passing through. Well, I say respect you, bringing sweet reggae music to you. As I would say.